Bodyweight World Tour continues, and we're gonna get a workout in today at one of our favorite places to hike growing up, building those boulder shoulders. It's good inspiration, you know? I don't know if we're gonna be able to build them this big, but damn it, we're gonna try. Starting off the shoulder workout with a superset. We're gonna go from pike push-ups right into the handstand holds. Pike push-ups, pretty simple. Just gonna kind of like a modified handstand. We got the gloves on just for safety from the heat. We're just gonna get in a push-up position first and walk your feet up, just like so, bending the knees, so that way top of your forehead, top of your head is kind of facing the ground there. Just gonna bend in your elbows, then press straight up. Yeah, right in the handstand holds. Here we go. Oh yeah, shoulders burning. Good little start there. Now we're moving on to LYTs, which is not a superset, but it's kind of 3 exercises in one. It's great for building the strength in the deltoids, but also for the rotator cuff. So what you're gonna wanna do, you can do this either on a stability ball or just as I'm gonna do now, standing. I'm gonna bend over here really quick, back straight. As you can see, I'm basically doing an external rotation and I'm kind of forming my arms into 2 L's, just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 15 reps. So now I'm gonna go ahead and begin with the Ys. As you can see, the thumbs up and I'm getting a nice stretch there. If you're thinking of yourself as a clock, you're basically going to the 11 and 1 position. Okay, here we go. And now we're going on to the Ts. Again, 15 reps. So village people had YMCA, buff dudes have LYT. You can feel free to sing it in your head if you'd like. I don't know if I'm ready to embarrass myself at this moment in time. Oh, whew. So it seems like an easy exercise when you first begin those first couple reps, but it's 45 total reps. And by that time, your shoulders are burning, but damn, it's a good exercise. LYTs, give them a shot. LYT. I was hoping he'd do it. Ooh, the next superset on the list. This is going to be the elevated push-back push-ups, supersetted with the rotating planks. Now the elevated push-back push-ups, we've been doing these pretty consistently during the program. But a quick tutorial, if you just re-familiarize yourself with this, is you're getting in a push-up position, but an elevated push-up position make it a bit more difficult. And once you bring yourself down to the bottom position, you're gonna be pushing back rather than up. So you bring yourself down and you're pushing straight back, and then bring yourself back to the beginning position. So pretty simple exercise, but you definitely feel it right in those shoulders right away. There we go, okay. On the superset. Now this one's a little, kind of a different type of exercise, but as strange as it looks, it actually works the delts pretty well, especially the rear delt. You get into a plank position, but your main base support is going to be on one arm. And then you're in this position, you're going to rotate and pull yourself to the side. So helping you to control this motion and stabilize it is your core, but also your delt as well. Oh, there we go. So, with the rotating planks, you can see the motion where you're pulling yourself this way. And if you think about it, if you're holding a dumbbell and you're doing kind of a reverse fly motion, it's somewhat similar to that movement you're doing with the rotating planks. But in this case, the core is really engaged to help stabilize that plank position too. So all around, it's an awesome exercise. Whew, and very difficult. All right, next up we have the wall slides. Now this is a great mobility exercise, but we're gonna go ahead and use it today for an exercise which will be focusing on the delts and the traps. So find yourself a wall. As you can see, this one runs out the higher it gets, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit down a little bit so I have a full width here. You're gonna go ahead and start in a Y position, and what you wanna do is try and bring your arms down as far as you can without having your body fall away from the wall. So you wanna keep yourself really nice and tight up against that thing through the duration of these 15 reps. So we'll go ahead and start in the Y. I'm gonna bring it down. Yeah, just like I'm tucking my elbows into my back pockets here. You're gonna feel that really nice contraction in the traps and the delts. And we're gonna go ahead and go for another rep. 15. Squeeze. Oh, yeah. Oh, another exercise a little bit like the LYTs, where upon first glance, it's not gonna seem like it's gonna take too much out of you, but combine that with the other exercises on the list, and you're feeling that mighty burn in those deltoids. Now, I'm not sure if I have bolder shoulders the size of these boulders, but hey, everybody starts small, right?
It's all about the angles. We'll out-angle you.
Yeah, what's bigger, my delt or those rocks?
In the camera, it looks like Hudson's delt.
And that's all we care about, lighting and angles, baby. It's 99%. The other 5%, that's food and fitness. Yeah. Final exercise of this workout is gonna be crunches, because we couldn't forget the abs. Go ahead and use this handy table here. It's a great thing about the Bodyweight workout, link in description, please buy your copy, help support us, hell yeah, is that you can perform these exercises anywhere, including a park bench in a state park. So with the crunches, what you want to do is roll the spine. You can go ahead and place your hands behind the neck, on the chest. If you're going to do it behind the neck, don't pull. Just go ahead and use it for support, but you don't want to injure yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of a cross right here. I'm going to roll up in the spine, contract, and back down. We're going to be doing 25 reps. There we go. That wraps up this bodyweight workout.
What a lovely view.
Yeah, now I think me and Brandon are gonna go enjoy the scenery on this beautiful day, and maybe have a protein shake in the process. Hell, I don't know.
Or a beer.
Or maybe a cold beer. It's just one of those days. So until next time, suggest in the comments where we should work out next, and stay ball.